Hello! In this video tutorial, we'll discuss offer automation and how to use it. Offer automation helps to filter out traffic of affiliate and subsource based on variations in metrics of gross and unique clicks, conversions, CR, and many more to optimize campaign performance. The automation rule derives the best of its performance, alert quickly, and generate a report of rule break in the fastest defined time. It can help to increase your business ROI at gross as well as on individual campaigns too under the created rule for automation. For automation, go to the Tools section, click on Automation, Create Rule. Here you can set automation on the basis of offer level, affiliate level, and subsource level. We'll discuss all these one by one. First, select offer level. Status can be changed from here. Choose advertiser name, offer ID. Threshold, a specific number from which you want your automation rule to start, working on the basis of conversions, clicks, and impressions. Under Filters and Schedule, you can choose the status of report for which this rule will work, data lookback, the duration of time for which you want your data to get checked, rule schedule to be set for the particular rule start, and end date. In Compare section, field on the basis of which you want to set your rule, that is, CR, CTR, clicks, conversions, etc. Also, you can set the minimum and maximum value of that particular field, and the comparison option, according to this rule, will work for an example less than minimum value. Not between minimum and maximum value, between maximum and minimum, and greater than maximum value. Whitelist offers, the offers that you want to skip from this rule. Once your campaign is paused, after what time you want your offer to be resumed, you can choose that option from the Configuration section. If you want to be notified over mail, then click on this checkbox. Now let's discuss affiliate level. Select affiliate level in the block level option. At affiliate level, you can select particular affiliates from here along with other options that we have discussed in the offer level, and also you can whitelist particular affiliates. Similarly, at subsource level, you can set rules on the basis of unique value that you are receiving in these sub-affiliate parameters, and you can also whitelist particular values in sub-affiliate parameters. The limit of unique value is 500. You can utilize other fields as discussed earlier, then click on Submit. Created rules will be displayed here. You can edit any rule by clicking on Manage. Logs of rule can be checked from Logs tab, and Clear All Rule Blocks tab will help you to start your campaign instantly, irrespective of the schedule of your automation rule. Rule tab helps you to display the list of rules. If you want to remove your rule, you can use this option.